Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Balance Pak 100. BioGuard Balance Pak 100 is used to raise total alkalinity. Maintaining proper total alkalinity prevents pH from bouncing due to rain, bather load, and other chemical applications. Low alkalinity may also cause pool water to be corrosive to the metal and plastic with which it comes in contact. This product is proven to help prevent pool staining, plaster etching, or liner wrinkling. The contents of Balance Pak 100 dissolve quickly when added directly to water. Product benefits: raises total alkalinity in your swimming pool water, improves swimmer comfort, prevents corrosion, protects vinyl liners from wrinkling. Usage directions: to raise pH, distribute a maximum of 1 pound per 10,000 gallons of water directly into the deep end of the pool. Allow water to recirculate 2 to 3 hours, recheck pH, and repeat treatment if necessary. Useful tips: having the correct pH in your pool is crucial to your swimmer's comfort and also protects your pool equipment and surfaces from corrosion, staining, and etching. The ideal pH range is 7.4 or 7.6. If the pH is too high or too low, it can cause those pesky red, itchy eyes. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.